Good morning, grade 7. Happy Monday. We are going to have another look at adding fractions using some different strategies today. So here we have 1/8 plus 3/4. Remember that whenever we add fractions, we have to find what's called a common denominator. So we have to get the bottom numbers to be the same. So when we do this, we notice right away we can multiply 4 times something to get 8. And 1/8 is already over 8. So we can do 4 times 2 to get 8. So we have to do whatever we do to the top, we got to do it. So whatever we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top as well. So that's going to equal 6/8. So with the fraction strip method, we divide our quarters into eighths, and now we shade in 1/8. And 3/4 is equivalent to 6/8. And our answer ends up being 7/8. So let's erase this just so we're not confused here. Our answer is 7/8. And I can show that with my fraction strip by making one more fraction strip with 8 sections. And I'm going to shade in 7 of them. Okay. If I'm going to use a number line to do this same question, I'll divide my number line into 8 sections. And I've got 2 fractions that I'm adding, so I'm going to use 2 arrows. So my first arrow is going to travel 1/8. And my second arrow is going to travel another 6/8. And we end up at our answer, which is 7/8. And we always want to double check to make sure that our answer is in the lowest term. So is there any number I can divide 7 and 8 by other than 1 to get this in lower terms? And no, there's not. That is in lowest terms. So just straight adding, we find the common denominator, which we figured out is 8. We multiply 4 times 2 to get 8, so we're going to multiply the top by the same thing, and that's going to be 6/8, and that is equal to 7/8. The key here for every type of example with adding is that you must find that common denominator. So grade 7, you've got some practice questions to work on today. If you get stuck, let Mr. Roofer or myself know, and we'll try to help you out. Have a great day.